Bricks, brick pam brick, brick pam brick pam brick, brick pam brick, brick pam brick pam brick. When me I use me chopper phone, no chatting a lot. I ram with me mother food, Spanish town.
Yes, guys, so we're going to Benta Falls this morning. Yes. You know, just have it in your hand. Yes, guys. We're going to Mayf. What?
Benta Falls, boss, I'm stoked like a shit.
Yes, guys, so we're in the grill right now. We're actually not going to Benta Falls. We're actually going back to Mayfield Falls, but the other side. But we're just here waiting for some persons. Kids went for somebody. Well, his cousin. We're just here chilling and vibing in the core. We got some bully beef sandwich that we're here eating, and we have some juice that we're drinking. Yeah. So I need to turn off this because I don't want this song to copyright my video. Alright, till them move and go. River Premients again. Rollouts. Yes, guys, we reached the Mayfield Falls, the other side this time. Yes, vlogging, you already know. Yeah, man. But this time we're on the other side. Blood seed nearly dropped. You walk down some rock stones there. Okay. But it's raining right now, but who cares? I can't run, I'm scared I'm gonna drop. You go and run, me not run. You see something slidey? You're lucky we're going down this side. Yo. Anyways, guys, I'm turning this up. No, don't hug me up. Ah, no. So we reached the river, guys. See it down there. Yeah, nice. They were telling us that we couldn't come inside because apparently people came here and basically dirty up the place and litter and all those things. So they were saying no, but we convinced them to let us stay. So we are staying here. We're about to zip up in there. Yeah. Everything looked nice. What's up? Bro, this is Jade. If you want to swim, go out there. So over here is just dirt. No, sir, Jaden. So people are. I know.
The next part of other part, not sure.
Yeah, it's like Dunn's River. Like when you climb the other side, it don't look so. It's a tourist side. But hey guys. There's only one person.
Who did I watch you?
I not even know. Laptop. One person now watch me live. I want some more people. Yes, the river is cold. Cold, because it was raining. So it's cold, well cold. Oh. No, not in my back. Alright, maybe come off like nobody now watch me. Eh? Who's supervising? Yeah, no. Yeah. Oh, people are start. I know, right? And I'm at the same river. No, someone said everyday river. Yeah. So the last time I came on live, I was at a river. At this river. Anyways, I'm coming off live now to go get more wet up. Okay? You know, so check him out, whole of vibes. Got them playing ball here.
Go on. You know, green grass cushion with.